Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be talking about the titanium cutting board, stainless non-stick chopping board, countertop, non-slip, dishwasher safe, ideal and perfect for various cooking. Look at all the pros, guys. A scratch resistant titanium, a knife friendly surface, antibacterial and non-toxic, heat-proof durability, a double-sided design built to last a lifetime, modern aesthetics, resistant to odor and stains, recommended by professionals, budget-friendly and dishwasher safe. And looks like the only kind is going to be running out. So get yours as soon as possible, guys. And so I got mine today, and it just comes in a envelope, a bubble wrap envelope, because it is titanium, so it's pretty durable. It's not going to be easy to damage this during shipping. So here it is, and it's kind of lightweight, even though it is that durable titanium material, and it does come covered in this plastic covering on both sides, and you just kind of remove this, just peel this off. It kind of reminds me of pulling off some tape or something. So you just take this off. After you get it out of the envelope on both sides, remove the plastic. Okay, and I do have a stainless steel knife that I wanted to see if I can make some little scratches on this, since it's titanium. All right, so we peeled the covering off on the other side, as you can see. And then, okay, so we'll take our titanium knife and kind of see what kind of sounds it makes. Yeah, because it is a solid titanium surface here. All right, okay, and yeah, I'm pretty really happy to have this item in my kitchen. And this is as far as I can tell, this is definitely upgrading your kitchen with this titanium cutting board. So it has a nice grip handle here, plenty of room for you to put your hand in there if you need to walk around or walk to the other side of the kitchen. And then that's also going to be good for hanging the cutting board if you have a hook for the cutting string. Okay, and so we're just going to continue on. And I have a beet here. We're just going to try to stain the titanium cutting board, see what happens. So this is a fresh organic beet. Cut that open, and normally when you put your red beet on a wooden cutting board or even a plastic, it is going to just immediately stain it. And because the color in the beets, as well as the color in turmeric, can also be used as a natural dye. And look, almost nothing is getting on the cutting board because of the titanium surface is not porous. But on the knife, you see that the knife definitely has some of the beet juice on it. It's very well. But on the cutting board, it's almost nothing on the cutting board. I could barely get any liquid on there. Nothing's coming out onto the board from the beet. And then as you can see, the beet juice is rinsing right off of the knife. Rinsed off very well. And then the same with the cutting board. The titanium cutting board, it rinses very clean. Nothing stained, nothing is sticking. It's rinsing right off, so that's a good indicator letting you know that no cross-contamination. If you're using chicken or vegetables or what have you, nothing is going to be doing a carryover. Nothing's going to be cross-contaminating, and comes really clean there. So this is pretty good, guys. And so I'm going to take a a clean dry paper towel to see if any of the beet juice is going to show up on this paper towel. And nothing's coming on, so that definitely shows that the titanium is not porous. And these come in different sizes, guys, so make sure that you are getting the size that you need, even if you need all three. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.